Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Jeep TJ door panel. Start by rolling the window up and removing the mirror and vent screws immediately. Carefully pry trim clips with a plastic tool and keep parts organized in labeled containers. Disconnect power window connectors and set the switch pod aside. Inspect for hidden screws behind the pull handle and map pocket before pulling the panel free from the door shell. Begin by removing visible trim pieces and the window crank or switch pod, depending on manual or power windows. Take out the armrest bolts and any screws concealed under rubber plugs or bezels. Use a plastic trim tool to carefully pry along the bottom edge to release the retaining clips without bending the panel. Lift the panel upward to clear the lock knob and then disconnect any electrical connectors before fully removing the door panel. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more DIY Jeep content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for a lifetime warranty and lasting comfort while you wrench. I wear them during long projects and they cut down on ankle fatigue and blisters. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you encounter stubborn clips, apply gentle heat to soften the plastic and prevent breakage while prying. Keep a dedicated small parts box for screws and clips so nothing gets lost between panels. If the window is difficult to move, test the regulator and clean the tracks before reinstalling the panel. Reconnect the battery temporarily to confirm switches work, then proceed with final reassembly once all functions are verified and aligned.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.